Hello my students, how are you? Today in science class for first grade we will talk about animal noises. Look at this picture. We have different animals. There are different animals make different sounds. We talked before about sounds. Sounds, al-aswat. How do we hear sound? We hear sounds with our ears. Look at here, please. There are different animals. Look at the first here. We have cow, owl, duck, snake, parrot, mouse. Again, cow, owl, duck, snake, parrot, mouse. And here we have cat, sheep, cat, sheep again. Cow, owl, duck, snake, parrot, mouse. Cat, sheep. Where is sheep? Here. Where's cat? Here. This is a cow, owl, duck, snake, parrot, mouse. Look at here, we have different animals. Cow, owl, duck. The sound of cow is moo. The sound of cow is moo. The sound of owl is hoot. The sound of owl is hoot. The sound of duck is quack, quack, quack. Again, moo. This is the sound of cow. Hoot, the sound of owl. Quack, the sound of duck. Here we have snake, cat, and sheep. The sound of snake is hiss. The sound of cat is meow. The sound of sheep is baa. Again, snake, hiss. Cat, meow. The sound of sheep is baa. Here we have parrot and mouse. The sound of parrot is squawk. The sound of mouse is squeak. Again, parrot, squawk. Mouse, squeak, squeak.